Understanding anticipated results. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and useful phrase in the English language: anticipated results. This phrase is not just common in academic and professional settings, but it also pops up in everyday conversations. So, if you've ever wondered what it means and how to use it correctly, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Anticipated results is a phrase made up of two key words: anticipated and results. To understand the phrase fully, we need to look at each word individually. Anticipated refers to something that is expected or predicted to happen in the future. It's about looking forward to something or foreseeing it before it actually occurs. Results, on the other hand, are the outcomes or consequences of an action, experiment, or process. When we put these two words together, anticipated results refers to the outcomes or consequences that are expected or predicted to happen as a result of certain actions or processes. Now that we know what anticipated results means, let's see how it's used in different contexts. 1. In academic research. Researchers often talk about anticipated results when they propose a study. They predict what the outcomes of their research might be based on their hypothesis and preliminary data. 2. In business planning, businesses use the term when they launch a new product or strategy. They predict the success or impact it will have in the market, referring to these expectations as their anticipated results. 3. In everyday life, you might also use this phrase in a casual setting. For example, if you start a new fitness routine, you might talk about your anticipated results, like losing weight or becoming stronger. Understanding and using the phrase anticipated results is important for several reasons. Setting expectations. It helps set realistic expectations about what might happen in the future. Planning and preparation. Knowing what results are anticipated allows individuals and organizations to plan and prepare accordingly. Communication. It's a clear and concise way to communicate expectations and predictions to others. And that's a wrap on anticipated results. We hope this video has shed some light on what this phrase means and how you can use it in various contexts. Remember, anticipating results is all about looking forward with informed guesses about what might happen based on what you know now. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Stay curious, and see you in our next video.